Hi class, this is the Northern Sportive Lemur. My name is Tristan Farber. First of all, where does the name come from? The Sportive Lemur. It's actually, when they're threatened, they curl up their fists into a ball and they kind of get into a boxing stance. I thought that was pretty funny. What are the lemur societies like? Most lemurs have matriarchal societies. They're run by a dominant woman. But the males of these northern sportive lemurs are solitary and they're very territorial. They're mostly polygamous, but some research has suggested that they can be monogamous as well. And they are nocturnal. Lemurs in general use chemical signaling called latrine behavior, where they spread urine and feces on trees and rocks to mark the territory. They also have a wide range of vocal communication and calls for mating and warning signals. Lemurs evolved independently on Madagascar, and I don't know if they split off or got there by like a storm or something. I'll have to research that and get back to you guys. But they evolved isolated from other primates, and they share traits with early primates such as lorises, podos, and galagos. On the bottom right there, that's a little baby. It's the size of a hand. How widespread is this population? Up on the right, you can see that is all of Madagascar, and in a very tiny little corner in the top right, that's where the northern sportive lemur resides. It's a very small habitat and it is not protected. Lemurs are one of the most endangered mammals. 98% of lemur species are threatened with extinction. 31% are critically endangered. A lot of their habitat is near communities. It is a third world countries. It's unfortunately a lot of poverty, and that results in people having to go into the forest and hunt for bushmeat, hunt for trade, and burn forests down for charcoal. This clearing has continued to this day. As you can see here, Madagascar lost 37% of its forest cover from 1973 to 2014. Even from 2010 to 2014, it's losing 1.1%. It's just maddening. It's a lot of anthropogenic pressure, which is originating from humans. Going back here, the northern sportive lemur is recognized as critically endangered on the IUCN Red List of threatened species. It is ranked among the world's 25 most endangered primates. The northern sportive lemur is in danger of extinction more than any other lemur. So, what is being done? Well, unfortunately, like I said, the habitat of this lemur is outside of any, or not any, but a lot of protective zones. There are patrols in parts of Madagascar, like you see in parts of Africa, that go around, making sure people aren't poaching, but it's very sparse. Um, I'm personally very worried about Madagascar and where it's going right now because I don't think we're doing enough cultural awareness. There's not enough programs. There, there's not enough, anti-poaching groups out there. Uh, this species of lemur back in the 2000s, it was in the 70s to 50s in terms of numbers. Um, but when I checked the source from 2020, actually, I saw it was in the hundreds, the 200s, which is still very grim. Um, so there's still a significant chance they'll go extinct in our lifetime. That's all for lemurs. Thank you guys.